Hello, lovelies. It is I. So today, this is Truth Be Told with Tara. I think I've been forgetting to say that in my last couple of videos, and dang, it's all about telling the truth. Ah, anyway, this is Truth Be Told with Tara, and today we're talking about Macy's. Now, Macy's, I'm happy with. I'm loving my Macy's. It's a very inexpensive box, and you get to try like really cool Macy's stuff. I personally do not have a Macy's anywhere near me, so getting to try this stuff is cool to me. Because a lot of this stuff you just can't get anywhere. So let's do the June box. I think this is June. Let's see. Well, let's just start out with they're going to give you $10 off Kills, which I've tried Kills. I wasn't very impressed with it, but a lot of people are. So $10 off of Kills stuff. That's pretty cool. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Like, it's not like this is all going to be sample size stuff because literally the box is only like $10, something like that. Like, the Walmart box and the Macy's box are almost like the same price. So, cool. All right. So, oh, this is all about Kills. Oh, yeah, it's all about Kills. Well, that's kind of a letdown because I've tried Kills. I didn't like it. So, okay. You get truly targeted acne clearing solution. Bam. Next, you get an ultra facial cleanser. I do love cleansers though. One day when I run out of the cleansers that I actually love, I might use that. I'll probably just give it away. I noticed though it did not have a safety seal on it. Next you get the ultra facial cream. Yeah. Again, there's no safety anything. But that's okay. I mean, I'm not a big germ freak or anything, but if you were, like, sorry, Kills, or this stuff isn't safety sealed. Okay, next you get Kills Creamy Eye Treatment. I think I tried Kills, like, okay. Oh, well, I was going to say I can't open this, so maybe it has a safety thing on it. No. Okay. So, Kills was one of the very first things that I tried back when I first started this whole venture. And I was not impressed, which I don't know, like, it seems like some of this stuff just kind of like, I don't know, like, of course, I hit 45 like 2 years ago. I started this about a year and a half ago, so I don't know, some of this stuff seems like it might have kind of brought it on. I don't know. Because all of a sudden, like, I started getting, like, lines like crazy, and I don't know. I'm just being paranoid. Okay. So next, you have Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. I have used this, and it is amazing. Like, yeah, I enjoyed it. Like, it has a very nice cooling effect, and then it dries, and yeah, I liked it, but not enough to buy. So then you get the Better Screen UV Serum. Of course, the serum is going to come in a little teeny tiny, like, but that's okay. That's okay because Macy's, love Macy's. Um, I mean, you don't pay but a little bit for the box. So, like, what you get, like, you should be, like, happy to get. I am. Even though it was Kills and I really don't like Kills, maybe I should give it another shot. But the stuff that I'm using right now, which will be another video, I'm loving. So I'm happy with my skincare routine right now, and I do feel like it has made a total difference in my skin. And I cannot say that for very many lines. So, all right, well, that's it for the Macy's box, and it is June. So, or this could be August, though. I don't know. It's August or June. It's not July, though. So, so hopefully, I don't know, like, if you can sign up, I mean, it's kind of hard. Like, you have to wait on a waiting list, and, like, I ended up getting, never mind. No, I ended up getting credit through Macy's because, like, then I get the box every month no matter what. Like, they take it from my credit. And so, yeah. Like, there are so many good things, though, that you can get from Macy's. Like, okay, I got the Dior. Let's just go on a Macy's, like, thing. Okay, so I've got the Dior Forever Skin Glow. This is where I got that very first foundation, and it came in a little teeny tiny bottle, and I'm still not sure what it was, because I can't duplicate it. Like, I can't get it. Like, it's so agitating. So I got the MAC Studio Fix, and I did get it in a lighter color just to put with this, add it together, and it makes a very nice foundation. And then it was like, yeah, you got the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, but I got it in the wrong color. It's way too light. Like, the one that I did have was a bit darker. I don't know, it just seems like I can't get my foundation right. But, like, adding this and this, or this and the MAC, it works. It works for me. So I just, like, blend them together on a brush and brush it, and I'm happy. Like, whenever I first tried every one of these, it was so the wrong color. But putting them together, because, like, you pay a pretty penny for these foundations, and they're the wrong color. Like, I wanted to send it back. I even reached out about returning, and it's just so hard to return that it was just like, oh, forget it. Like, I'll just get a lighter color. I think I was using a Shiseido, maybe. I'm not sure if it was Shiseido. It was something like that, foundation, and it was really, really light, and I put it with this. I used it a couple of times, but I don't know. There's something about this trio, the MAC and this, or the Luminous Silk. I mean, Giorgio Armani, Dior, and then MAC. I mean, they all work pretty well together. So, all right. That's it for the Macy's box of August, June. I don't know. I'll put it in the description so y'all will know for sure. All right. I mean, but basically, I'm showing you guys, like, what you can get in a Macy's box. Like, once, like, it hits, I get it within a couple of days. So the shipping on it is really fast. Anytime that I order anything from them, like the MAC, the Dior, this, like, it's all came within a week. So their shipping is wonderful. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up, and I will see you guys in the next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Bye.